Welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step on how to create Spicy account using your Spicy application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Spicy application right on your mobile device. Once you've done that, launch it open and this will be the first interface of the Spicy app. You can create a new account by tapping on the sign up button in red, or if you want to sign up quicker, you can use the sign up with Google option. Select any one option to get started and create a new account. In my case, I'm going to choose the sign up option highlighted in red. On the next page, you'll need to create a username for yourself. The name will appear right on your profile, so make sure to type in your name correct and then tap on the arrow at the bottom right in red. On the next page, identify yourself. If you are a man, a woman, or non-binary, select your choice from the list and tap next. At the bottom, select the purpose of you being here between friendship or dating. If you want to find dates with people nearby, select the dating option. If you want to just make friends with new people, tap on friendship and tap the next arrow at the bottom right. Select the gender you are looking for from the display. If you're looking for men, select men. If you're looking for women, select women, or there's also an option to choose other. After making your selection, tap the arrow or the next button at the bottom right. Enter your date of birth information so that you can mention your age in your profile. After you are done, tap the arrow button at the bottom right. If you want to see nearby people, then you can allow access to your location. In order to do so, tap on yes of course. If you want to skip it for now, tap on maybe later. Now, upload a nice photo of yourself by tapping the plus icon in the middle of the screen and in the dialog box, tap on allow to access photos and media on your device. You'll then be able to see two buttons available on the screen at the bottom. If you want to take a picture right from your device's camera, tap the camera icon. If you want to upload an existing photo from your gallery, tap on the folder icon. Select the picture from your gallery by tapping on it. Once you upload your picture, tap on the next button at the bottom right. Now, you'll be signed in to your new Spicy account. You'll also be able to see a bunch of photos on your home page. You can either swipe left or right to reject or accept someone on Spicy. That is how you'll be able to create a new Spicy account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.